Hello, welcome in. We are solving GATE 2025 Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 54 is a thermodynamically closed system contains 1 kilogram of hydrogen. The system undergoes a reversible polytropic process with polytropic index 1.3. The work output during the process is 400 kilojoule. During the process, hydrogen behaves as an ideal gas with constant specific heat. The absolute value of heat transfer during the process is dash kilojoule, rounded off to 1 decimal place. Specific heat of hydrogen at constant pressure is equal to 14.56 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Kelvin. Specific heat of hydrogen at constant volume is equal to 10.4 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Kelvin. So we know that in a polytropic process, work done is R bracket T1 minus T2 divided by N minus 1, where T1 is initial inlet temperature, T2 is outer temperature, R is characteristic gas constant, and N is polytropic index. And del U is del U in any del U means change in internal energy in any process is CV T2 minus T1. Where T2 is final temperature, T1 is initial temperature. And according to first law, Q is equal to W plus del U. So putting the value of W, that is R bracket T1 minus T2 divided by N minus 1, and putting the value of del U, that is minus CV T1 minus T2, because here CV T2 minus T1 is there, so if we change sign, it will be minus CV T1 minus T2, and here it will be R T1 minus T2 divided by N minus 1, and this CV can be written as R by gamma minus 1 for an ideal term, where R is equal to Cp by CV, and Cp by Cv is gamma, so Cv can be written as R divided by gamma minus 1. So this expression will be R gamma minus 1 bracket T1 minus T2. So now we can take common R T1 minus T2, then the remaining term will be 1 by N minus 1 here and 1 by minus 1 by gamma minus 1. So taking LCM, it will be gamma minus 1 here and N minus 1 here, or as minus sign there, so sign will also take, so gamma minus 1 minus N plus N plus 1. So 1 cancel, so it will be R T1 minus T2 within bracket gamma minus N divided by gamma minus 1 by N minus 1. So here this R T1 minus T2 divided by N minus 1 is your W. That is from this expression. This is W. And now the remaining term is gamma minus N divided by gamma minus 1. Okay, so W is given as 400, work done is given as 400 kilojoule, and Cp and Cv are also given. Cp is 14.56 and Cv is 10.4, so gamma will be here 1.2 and N is 1.3. Putting this value we get heat supplied as 100 kilojoule is the answer.